Hello, Super Traders, and welcome to Super Trader TV's weekly wrap-up for trading week of December 14th to 18th. Most markets were driven last week by the U.S. Federal Reserve decision to raise interest rates for the first time since 2006. In U.S. markets, all three main U.S. stock indexes finished a volatile week with losses. Stock indexes rose after Wednesday's decision by the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates, but couldn't hold on to gains, and the energy sector dragged the market lower. The US dollar appreciated over 1% last week as the Fed raised interest rates and the Canadian dollar followed crude oil lower. In European markets, all major European stock indexes were led higher by the US interest rate hike despite giving back some gains at the end of the week. The euro and British pound both fell last week against the US dollar, which was compounded by mixed economic data from the region. Inflation, economic sentiment, and retail sales came in better than expected, while business climate and employment data underperformed. In Asian markets, main Asian stock indexes in China and Japan followed global markets higher last week, but lost some ground at the end of the week after the Bank of Japan let down investors with a new ETF buying plan. The Japanese yen depreciated for most of the week against the US dollar, but bounced back after the BOJ announcement. The Australian and New Zealand dollars were able to hold relatively still against the US dollar through a week of mostly tepid economic data. And here are last week's commodities highlights. Crude oil plummeted last week to under $35 per barrel on concerns of oversupply, especially after U.S. crude data showed a larger weekly increase than expected. Gold declined almost 1% last week as the greenback made large gains. This was Super Trader TV's weekly wrap-up. Have a happy and profitable trading week.